In this video, I'll walk through how to permanently delete apps on your iPhone. Before we start, don't forget to give this video a like. Also, leave a comment and subscribe for more. Deleting apps on an iPhone frees up storage space and can improve device performance. It also helps declutter the home screen and removes unused or unnecessary applications. So I've got you covered with two easy methods here. Let's get started. First, let's say you want to delete the Snapchat application. To do this, find the app on your home screen and press and hold it until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the options. A window will pop up asking if you want to delete the app or just remove it from the home screen. If you only want to remove it from the home screen but keep it installed, choose Remove from Home Screen. However, if you want to completely uninstall the app, select Delete App. This action will permanently delete the app from your iPhone. Now, what if the app you want to delete isn't on your home screen? Don't worry, you can still uninstall it. Go to your iPhone's settings and open the General section. From there, tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find the app you want to delete. In this case, let's use Pinterest as an example. Tap on the app, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can tap Delete App. This will uninstall the app completely, so it won't appear on your home screen or in the app library. So, to recap, if the app is on your home screen, you can long press and delete it directly. If it's not, head to your settings, navigate to iPhone Storage, and delete it from there. That's all there is to it. In case you have any queries, just leave them in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel and visit MediaMagnetGuide.com for lots of tutorials and resources.